You know who me would have basically right now in this day and age put over Alkaline, would have put Skillibeng, but
So evening people them must supposedly know about music and have a big following, but still chat for when they come on to feed them bias. You wanna pray this?
And some big show we keep last year.
20,000 people me I tell about and 10,000
man.
people, you know.
Me see Massacre.
So Krish trained us on Film Bridge now all a reason. And I'm ask the dog film list of artists them who consider as crowd puller. And listen to you ask question.
Who you think? Dancehall. We can talk about reggae too. Artists. We are pull the crowd now. And when we attack the crowd, you know, we are talking about 1,000 or 5,000 people.
Yeah, I'm going 1,000.
10K or more, and that we are talking about. You know. The dancehall artists, them right now, presently 2025, we think can pull the crowd full of arena by themselves. We don't talk about no group up.
Yo, I'm tell you this, dog.
So remember you know, why criteria? Dancehall artists right now in a 2025 who can full one arena we at a 10K or more by themselves, no group up. That thing start off and say.
Right now, I see Alka. I'm going to forget Alka after Kartel.
Alright, pause. Boy, tell me what I mean about pause because I even want forget what I'm going to ask you now.
Yeah.
Why you say Alka?
Why I say Alka? Because I see...
One show we see when doing
And one show we see me
for a year, you know, where at 12K, you know, 12,500, you know. Which other show you do after that?
So the criteria jump from one show we seen do for a year. We at 12,500. Which other show we seen do after that? Help me count the bias them.
No, me I tell you.
But now since they had Alkaline on the bill, they must get a venue can hold over 10,000 people.
Alright, that are two events. Alright. 10,000 people.
A solo show already at Canada where we are on him. Plus him have no rules at Jamaica. Don't see them at Chilani.
Solo. Wait, my man.
We don't have no rules, but we post no rules at Jamaica solo yet.
It Canada one, my man. Event you can hold 1,000 people. You know. And 1,000 tickets sell off and it's sold out, you know, my man.
What do you think you're doing?
Moving the goalpost.
I just know, me not say.
Never check.
No, me not say.
So you know how much the venue at Canada hold you know. But he already want discount the fact say the man said out the show already.
I 1,000 people, but me I say, when me say crowd pull up,
Me sure say the venue them Alkaline are going on, I will over 5,000 people.
but me tell you 10K or more. So me know I hear about no 5,000.
Just give 2 show and pull over 10K.
I just fix the question to make it can suit whichever artist in my back you know.
Yeah.
Me say I done a full Euro base for you. You can't.
Which other show in full like that?
Really, nigga?
And that wasn't I done alone. I would talk about this already.
But me there a film show.
But I will take a show.
It matter a film show.
I know this brother name just go up on a football pitch to bum book. Brother, how much time I move the goalpost? You ask the man who a crowd puller. I don't want to put on the show. The people them know who go take the show before them go. So that irrelevant and besides the point. Yo, say them man a corrupt your phone.
You know, realize that more people in a that day. Ram up more than everybody else show we are talk about.
Me give Sean Paul.
So I saw long you take your fika Sean Paul in that.
No, Sean Paul a show.
No.
Yes. What? You don't say. You don't say.
You don't fucking say. Bro, you serious? What's me I talk about? No shit, Sherlock. Man really go compare Sean Paul to anybody else. What are the hardcore dancer? Bro, that no common knowledge and well-known fact for much decades now. So Sean Paul now one league all by himself, brother. You can't compare Sean Paul show them to Donny and Kartel and them on the show. Sean Paul and them under the world music, bro. Them man they a mega star, pop star. Them man they go on some different festival where sometimes dancehall, what we consider as hardcore dancehall as Jamaican people. You know, see no other artists did so. Besides a Sean Paul, maybe a Shaggy. Bro, come on. Bro, yeah, a reason like this supposed to shock me, brother. Or this a news to me.
You know, Sean Paul a show shot. Everybody don't know about Sean Paul already, dog. So him, once he mentioned that automatically people with Sean Paul in there, bro.
And supposed to bridge him to the reason with common sense.
Yeah, you see man, them bring back, you see beside the best, dead and Buja and bring it back.
What's people up inside there?
Over 30,000. Then see the double poster, this is what 30,000 look like. You know, in our overhead chat. Jump on them.
Alright. So guess what? They don't can't tell you anything.
Stop it. Get some help.
Then by that logic, you promote them for every other show and can't tell you the same thing. Promote them for the other show and can't say anything. Promote them for popcorn show and can't say anything. And so on and so forth. Bro, why take off on for this? Impartial, brother. Then I say Kartel show at Atlanta other day sold out. Where did have empty seat? So why a problem? Or one of your artist name I call show can't sold out. Everybody have them bias, bro. But you don't have to make it so obvious. Bro, when you use your platform will have such a huge following to put out them narrative there. All they do are dissuade the impressionable fans them a dancehall. The one them who don't really know the inner workings of the music business. To feel say your feelings more valid because you say so and you feel so. The other artists them will meet the criteria what you just stipulate a while ago. Them not meet the bar because you don't want fan of them or you don't rate the artist there. Brother, better than that, man.
Justify everything on the same.
Yeah, I like brother.
Me can't add it. You me tell you why. You me justify it.
Yeah,
how much places does the Vibes Kartel go? Since he come out, since he started the show.
Kartel, man, no.
Just listen to how much places does the Kartel go since he started the show.
Again, no fucking shit, Sherlock. Kartel no most all over the place. The man that just missing in action for 13 years, bad man. Bro, you try to equate apples to oranges right now. Alkaline been scarce. So when the dog show out, he always getting support. Anyway, man put on a show. Keyword him. Anyway, him a put on a show or team a put on a show. Or if a theme event or a headline that ever ram, that ever pop. To somebody who quote unquote in the music industry for so much years. Bro, you go really try to compare Kartel coming out and going on a world tour now, as he should, as expected. The man must go sell out everywhere. And again, big up to your bridge, you know, sit down beside you. Because if you don't do it for a reason, we look for common sense, brother. Where man say, I'm a Kartel like hot man now. And nobody not tip from Kartel, brother. Nobody not tip from Kartel. Basically, all them hype that was around the man thing right now. Make we revisit this all 3 years from now. Make we see if Kartel still like the same money why I'm charge now. Make we see if the same amount of hype go around. You notice me never say boy, you know, say don't worry man, the dog hype some out man Kartel thing so flop out and thing. Nah bro, make we see what go on. Or if you compare somebody who was freshly come out of prison, brother, they do a world tour, somebody have Kartel's caliber at that. If they try to compare him to the other artists them who have been that road, have been a dress show, have been a put out music, who have been in a public eye and space. Brother, better than that.
You me tell you why I never put Skillibeng in it. Skillibeng is not a part of it. You know why I never put him?
Why?
He not have the catalog.
Yet.
He not have the catalog.
So Skillibeng now have a catalog. Plus in a list out no show wine do wine pull more than 10,000 people himself. But yet you want to put him over Alkaline.
Choice. Press them full on the power level. Choke. I want to some blood clots,